Hello folks, welcome to another video. And this video the task says on R2 filter the odd network is coming from R3. That means that we configured an IP address. We configured an IP address on loopback address on R3, sorry. So that starts from 100.0.0.3, 100.0.1.3. So they're all different in the third octet. It starts from 100.0.0.3. The other one is 100.0.1.3. The other one 100.0.2, 100.0.3, 100.0.4, 100.0.5, 100.0.6, and 100.0.7. So that the third octet is different. All the last hosting number is all of them are 3. So we don't care about the last octet. We care about the third octet. So the task says on R2 filter the odd network is coming from R3. The odd network is talking the odd network is what is it? The odd network is they're talking about is 1, 3, 5, and 7. These are the odd networks. Okay. So configure. To do this, configure with the help of distribute list command to achieve this goal. Configure an ACL, configure the access control list with the help of distribute list command to achieve this goal. Perfect. Okay. So let us go on R2 because the task says on R2 as we saw it on R2. Okay. Let's go on R2. So what are we going to do? We are going to configure an access list. We take just a number. This is a standard access list. So 1 to 99, 1 through 99. So we take 90, and then we say deny, and then we're gonna deny the 100. Before we do this, let me show you. Do show IB route EIGRB include 100.0. So this is the we have all the networks here, and we can ping each of them. If you pick up like this one, then 3, we can ping. We can ping all of them. So now we want to do. We don't want to see network 1, network 3, and network 5, and network 6. Network 7, because it's odd. We don't want to see all of these. So how do we filter out? And we want to see network 0, network 2, network 4, and network 6. We want to see this as well. We want to see this in the routing table, but we do not want to see network 1, network 3, any odd number, network 5, and network 7. So the way we configure is access list 90 deny 100.0.0.1.0, then merge the first bit, that's access that is the wildcard bit, and then merge the second octet. The third, merge the 7th bit, which is 254, and the last octet we don't care. Okay, before I proceed here we had before, forget about the binary number, but in here the task 5 we had this table when on our days back in subnetting. So we want to match the last octet of this 8 character, because we had this one is even, 64 is even, 32 is even, 128 is even, 64 is even, is full. Even means is full. There is no number missing it. 16 is missing, is full, it's even. 8 is even, and 4 is even. 2 is even. The last octet is only 1, is alone. There is no another number which makes them 2 or 4 or whatever. It just stands alone. So we are marking the last bit of the third octet. You know. So if you subtract 1 from if you add all of these are 255. So if you subtract this 255 from 1, because we imagine that the remaining will be 254, and that's what we are going to use in here. 254, yeah, the 255. 254, the 255, yep. So access to 99. Okay. Are we? What's wrong with it? Access list 90 deny 100.0.1.0, and then the wildcard card mask 0.0.254.255. So what were we missing here? Nothing was. I don't know. So now access list 90 permit any. So we are done. So if you go to router, as we explained before, before I proceed that, do show. Did I explain to you? Yeah, we got all these numbers right here. Yep. So we can reach, we can do anything. Or before I proceed, let me show you that we have all these numbers again. Section loop back. We all have this loop. Section loop back. Don't I have this loop? That's gonna be strange. Include loop. Oh, I didn't configure this. I configured on R3. So we have an R3. Sorry about that. So we've got all this IB, all these addresses in here, like 100.0.0, 100.1.0.1, 100.0.2, 100.0.3, 4, and so on, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so now we could ping any IP address that we want on these guys. 0.1.3, 0. Okay, so we are going to router EIGRB1 distribute list as usual, and then the number was 90, because now before we said we went to route map, so I was going to show you that feature, but now we are going back to our access list. So that was a 90. Then if we say in only, we can say in, or we can verify the gigabyte interface. So if we say in only, because we want to block this interface right now, but if this router has many interfaces, you could get the update from, that you could get the update. If we block this one, then this command will take care of it. This command only distribute list 90 in means inbound will take care of it, of any interface, because it is affecting the whole device. Okay, but if we specify an interface, it's going to affect only updates that is coming from that interface. So now let me just put it as a whole in, and we because we have been using we have been assigning to this interface or this interface. So now we stop the interface, and then we say in anything comes. Any distributed list that matches number 90 and inbound, just filter out. So let us go show IB route EIGRB. So we don't want to see the numbers, we don't want to see, we just want to see it. So now look, number 1 is gone, we only see 0, 2, and 4 and 6. We don't see 1 or 3 or 5 or 6. If we try to ping them, we cannot ping them because we let me just ping 100.0.0 .1.3. we cannot ping because it is being filtered. It is being filtered. So if we go show access list, then we see it is being filtered. 12 matches has been filtered. So that is the way that you can filter the odd numbers. So the coming video we will filter the odd numbers. We will filter, now we filtered the odd numbers, the odd networks. So in the next video we are going to filter the even networks. So now instead of seeing now 0 and 2 and 4 and 6, the next time we're gonna see 1, 3, 5 and 7, and we want to filter these 0, 2, 4 and 6 out. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next